What's going on, guys? This video we are doing a install of this crystal style shift knob specifically for the Sienna, and just a quick unboxing. That's about it. Piggyback harness should be here. Yep. And overall, I hope this works. Plug and play, like the seller said. No video on it to install, so we are going to try to do this blindly. Here it is. So piggyback adapter plugs this into source power. It should light up with park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Over in the corner here is a little bit of carbon fiber. And I wanted this to complement the overall steering wheel that I just got. And let me give you guys a before. All right, here you go. So this is the before stock shift knob from the Sienna. And this is a little bit heavier. Crystal, supposedly, but I don't know what this is. Glass. Is this a safety measure? Safety issue? Not sure. But the side shifter button, the push button for the gear selection is the same, I think. Overall here, on the base of it, this is a carbon fiber, a mimic of it. And let's see how this goes. Okay, zooming in. How do you do this without blocking? Okay, so push this down. Oh, that's it. All right, so there's two tabs here, like so. Let me give you guys a closer look. So this thing you just push down like that. It goes into this groove, and then the harder part is to find and disconnect. Let's see if we can see. See if we can locate it. There should be like a pin right in front, like right there. Now, am I able to remove it by hand? I don't think so. All right, guys, so the pin is out. We are going to remove, you have a trim piece here along the side. This part right here, again, same thing. Same thing. Okay. So you don't have to remove this whole piece. Just enough so that the top front part of the center console is able to lift up. Actually, I think this comes off like that. Just like that. This is funny. Okay, so we're able to lift this whole center. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This goes on like that. And then the rest is just as easy. Okay. Lift forward. This thing removes. Okay, so we're good. This thing comes right out. So the OEM plug here plugs into this adapter right here. Am I hearing a click? Okay, here it is. And this one just goes back into the center console. And this one will connect to the shifter. All right, make sure this thing goes in first. Like that. So. This together like that. Okay, so here like that. Right. Okay. All right. Let me put the trim back just a little bit. Okay. So this trim piece is good. Where did I put my pin? The pin is here. Pin should be here, so I'm just gonna push it right back in like that, Alright, not sure if you guys can see, but the pin is here. I'll push it in. And then, right, it's not coming out. And there you go. There you have it. Push the wiring back in. So let's see if this works. Yeah, I think it's lighting up. Nice. Right? Yeah. It's a nice weighted shifter. A lot more weight than the original one. Now it's turning orange. Alright, I guess. This is the original one. Push it to reverse. Neutral. Drive. Neutral. Reverse. Park. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the install. I went from the stock shifter right here to this crystal shifter. Has a decent amount of weight compared to this this one right here. The changing of colors I'm okay with. I think it's pretty neat, but if it stays blue, I don't mind it because I have blue all over. I like the fact that, you know, it has an illuminated gear logos, and overall I don't know how it's gonna be when it's hot, cold, all that, but it does add a premium look. I don't think it looks that out of place, but again, I test this stuff and you guys decide whether or not you want it. So appreciate the views, appreciate everything, the support, and just let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. But on that note, overall this installation wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. I was plug and play. I've taken this console out many times, so definitely didn't take me long to do, unless I'm, you know, recording. But happy 2025 again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.